Dinesh. This is Tiffany at Tameron Hyundai, 1 mile from the Galleria on Highway 31. I want to thank you for inquiring on the 2017 Sonata Eco. We have sold all of our 17s, but the great thing is you can get a 2018 at the same price. I'd love to show you any of these vehicles. We have plenty of colors, plenty in stock. My name is Tiffany. My number is 205-380-6250, or you can text me on my cell phone, 205-454-6938. The best thing about these vehicles is America's best warranty. 5 years, 60,000 mile, new car warranty, 5 years unlimited roadside assistance, 10-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty, which we exclusively double here at Tameron, to 20 years, 200,000 miles, no strings attached. Give me a call, I'd love to work with you. My name's Tiffany, 205-380-6250.